A, I, U, A, O. Our tongue curls like this and tap on the upper palate. Ta. Ta. Yes. Yes. So try ta. Tap, 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 tap. 5 times. Ta. Ta. Da. Da. Na. Okay? All the 5 letters just tap there, over there. Okay? And then you go to cha, cha, ja, ja, na. We come a little bit up and we use most of the tongue, kind of middle of the tongue. Cha, cha, ja, ja, nya. You see what happened? Like the tongue goes up, kind of pops up, and then touch the upper palate, and then the air squeeze through that. Then only that sound comes. Close your eyes. A, Kantha. This is called Kantha. This one is called Kantha in Pali. Yeah, Kantha Gataral. I know when you pronounce individually, it's like that, but you can just pronounce like Vasati, you know. Vasana, Vihara, we just... but if you know that rule, that can be helpful in certain minor adjustments in your pronunciation. And then this one, Papa Babama, Kampana. Kampana is shaking or vibrating. Kampana, kind of shaking.